You can engage with a CPA or certified financial planner to handle such concerns as how much money you can withdraw safely from retirement funds. It's a good idea to consult with a licensed, certified, and unbiased financial planner on any large investments. If you are being pressured by a family member for money, this is often a good tool to deter your relative from asking for money. You can tell the person requesting the money that you need to consult with your financial planner first. A professional daily money manager can help you deal with bill paying, insurance claims, phone calls to financial institutions, and troubleshooting. Proper checks and balances should be applied here too. Set up direct deposit of payments such as tax refunds, pension benefits, and Social Security. Of course, you want to be careful about setting these up, as you are providing information about your financial accounts. Remember our precautions about sharing personal and financial information, and do not forget our warnings about automated bill paying. Be wary of automated billing. Automated billing is set up where your account is automatically debited or charged. Once it's set up, the only way to completely stop automated billing is to close your account and start a new one. Let's say you are set up for an automatic debit of $250 a month from the furniture store. You can tell your bank or credit union to stop the $250 a month payment, but the company can simply list another amount, such as $249, and the money will be taken from your account. To truly stop the automated billing, you must close your account. Spend some time thinking about how you protect and secure your accounts. Be careful before you grant access to your accounts or assets, as an unscrupulous person may drain your account. Monitor your accounts to ensure nothing suspicious is occurring. What is your plan to safeguard your account as you get older? Plan ahead for the aging process, and think about who is going to help you monitor your accounts when you are older, and perhaps not at your full mental capacity. Be careful who you choose, and it's always a good idea to have checks and balances. For example, you can have financial institutions send statements and alerts to a trusted person who has no access to any of your accounts to check for fraud. Avoid sharing a large bank account or credit card with another person. If you need or want someone else to pay bills for you, create a shared account and arrange to transfer only enough money each month to cover the bills. A limited account can be a good tool to make sure financial abuse or fraud will not happen. The account could, for instance, include a debit card and checks and have a spending limit of, say, $500. Get to know officers and tellers at your local bank or credit union. Ensure they have up-to-date information on file. Remember to protect your Social Security income as well. Do not provide others with access to it. And realize that other than the federal government, no creditor can garnish your Social Security income. Before you hire a caregiver, make sure he or she undergoes a background check. Don't assume a placement agency will do a thorough one. Insist on a national rather than state criminal check. To monitor in-home help, consider installing a surveillance camera if state law permits it. Don't leave mail in an unsecured mailbox. Shred documents with identifying information. List and photograph all jewelry and valuables so they can be traced to pawn shops if necessary. Keep small valuables in a locked drawer and photographs of them in a separate place. Keep your financial and personal records in locked file cabinets. Don't keep large sums of money in your home. Save it in a bank or credit union. Hold a family meeting to discuss who will look after you physically and financially. It's difficult for us to suggest one way to do this because there are various family dynamics. You may want to consider having a plan that has checks and balances. Perhaps you have 2 family members or a family member and a licensed professional. Sometimes granting control to one person can lead to trouble. Before you talk to your family, you may want to talk to a certified and licensed professional about the arrangement options you have. No matter what you do not be rushed or pressured. It's your decision. We want you to make an informed choice. If you have trouble saying no to a relative or friend, set up a refusal plan and practice it. That means you have a process to say no that removes the pressure from you. For example, you can tell the friend or family member that you talk with a certified and licensed financial planner about what to do with your money, and he or she has advised against loaning your friend or relative the money. Do not be pressured. If anyone is trying to isolate or intimidate you, talk to a trusted family member and/or a police officer. Put your agreements into a legal document. Hire an attorney with experience in the subject matter, such as an elder law attorney. You may have him or her draft a personal care agreement that outlines how much your caregivers should receive for services. Thinking through the details and setting limits helps get everyone on the same page. Having your important financial and personal records organized and stored in a secure location is a great first step in planning for the future. One or two people you trust should know the location of your personal records. It is not necessary to provide access or to reveal the contents of wills and trusts. You can make arrangements for access with a family meeting and put the agreement in a legal document. The most important thing is to start thinking about these things. Get the advice and opinions of people you trust and people who know what they are talking about. We hope our video has provided you with helpful information. It is our hope you use it to help safeguard your present and future by making informed decisions. Planning for the future or making big decisions can seem overwhelming, but you can increase your peace of mind by using the think before you ink mindset to build and protect your situation. Please see our website, www.seniormoneyproject.org, for further information and resources.